it's Allie from the Sacramento History Museum, and today I'm going to show you how to make a stamp at home using just a potato. Now, if you've been following along with our Gold Rush and print shop activities, you know that before today's computers and smartphones, people had to use stamps and inks anytime they wanted to make a copy of something. So we are going to make our own stamps using potatoes. If you take a look here, I've already gotten us started. So on this one over here, I used a cookie cutter I found in my kitchen to make the outline of my design. It's very important when you're making these stamps to remember that anything you don't carve out, anything that's high and raised, is going to show up on your stamp. Anything that you do carve out, anything that's a lower level, that is not going to show up. And if you don't have cookie cutters or if you want to make your own design, that's okay. You can do it freehand with just a regular butter knife at home. You don't need anything sharp, and don't be afraid to ask your parent if you need some help. Alright, when your stamps are all ready to go and you've decided on the design, you're going to use some paint. And then you can go ahead and put your potato down in the paint. Make sure it's nice and covered. And you'll see here the paint goes anywhere that's raised. Like I mentioned, those lower carved out parts aren't going to show up. And then with a sheet of paper, you can go ahead and print it. And you can do multiple copies. You can try it with different colors, different levels of paint, and experiment until you find something you like. And there you have it. That is my person potato stamp. Feel free to show us any you make at home by following us on social media and check out the rest of our videos.